Hello, my name is Andrew Duru. Thank God in Christ Jesus for the gift of a new day. And welcome to NexGen Smart Learning with Andy. Today, we continue our lesson on numbers and place value. Let's get started. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to
define and explain the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers. Define and explain the difference between even and odd numbers. Define and explain the difference between prime and composite numbers. Explain the meaning of place value and identify the value of digits. Draw and correctly use a place value chart up to 100,000s.
types of numbers. Today, we will examine natural numbers, whole numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, and composite numbers.
Natural numbers.
Before I tell you what natural numbers are, look at your fingers. Count them aloud. You started from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are called natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1 and continue forever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. They are also called counting numbers. Whenever you count anything, you are using natural numbers.
Whole numbers.
Whole numbers include all natural numbers and 0. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Here is a memory trick to help you remember. The word whole has the letter O in it, and that O looks like 0. So whole numbers start from 0. Sometimes we say 0 is nothing, but today you will see that 0 is not just important, 0 is powerful. Stick around to find out why.
Even numbers.
Even numbers are numbers that can be divided exactly by 2 without a remainder. For example, if I have 6 candies and I share them between 2 children, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. No remainder. That means 6 is an even number. Examples of even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and many more. How do you quickly recognize an even number? Look at the last digit. If a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, it is even. Examples: 230, 52, 34, 96, 88. These are all even numbers because they end with either 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8.
Odd numbers.
Odd numbers cannot be divided exactly by 2. They always leave a remainder of 1. Examples of odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and many more. How do you recognize an odd number? Just look at the last digit. If it ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, it is odd. Examples are 11, 43, 85, 207, 29. They all end with either 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9.
Prime numbers.
Prime numbers are numbers greater than 1 that has only 2 factors. And those factors are always 1 and the number itself. Examples: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and so on. Let us test 5. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. No other number divides 5 exactly, so 5 is prime. Now let us test 6. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. That means 6 has more than 2 factors, so 6 is not prime. Here is an important fact. 2 is the only even prime number because its only factors are 1 and 2.
Composite numbers.
Composite numbers are numbers greater than 1 that has more than 2 factors. Look back at 6. Its factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. That is more than 2, so 6 is composite. Let us test 9. Its factors are 1, 3, and 9. 3 factors, so 9 is composite. Examples of composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, and many more. Here is an important note. 1 is not prime. 1 is not composite. It stands alone.
Face value.
Face value is the value of a digit itself. It is simply the number you see. The face value never changes. In 75, the face value of 7 is 7. In 4708, the face value of 7 is still 7.
Place value.
Place value tells us the value of a digit based on its position. Let us look at the digit 5. When it stands alone, 5 means 5. Now look at 50. Is the value still 5? No, it is 5 tenths. 5 times 10 equals 50. Now look at 500. Is it still 5? No, it is 5 hundredths. 5 times 100 equals 500. What then changed? The position changed. That is place value. Place value equals digit multiplied by its position. That is why 5 naira is not the same as 50 naira or 500 naira.
Place value chart.
Starting from the smallest, we have units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. We will present it like this. Now, let's understand each column with examples. The unit column. The smallest place is the unit place. This is where we put single digits from 0 to 9. In the number 3,456, the digit 6 is in the units place. The value is simply 6. Tens column. In the number 3,456, the digit 5 is in the tens place. The value is 5 multiplied by 10 equals 50. hundreds column. In the number 3,456, the digit 4 is in the hundreds place. The value is 4 multiplied by 100 equals 400. Thousands column. In the number 3,456, the digit 3 is in the thousands place. The value is 3 times 1,000 equals 3,000.
NexGen challenge.
Consider this number 704516. Pause the video. Answer these two questions. 1. What is the face value of 7? 2. What is the place value of 7? Welcome back. The face value of 7 is 7. Face value never changes. Now, let us place the number on the chart. 7 is in the hundred thousands place. So each place value is 7 times 100,000. That equals 700,000.
Why 0 is powerful.
Why 0 is powerful. Why 0 is powerful.
Now remember earlier, I said 0 is powerful. Let me show you why. Look carefully. The 0 is holding the 10,000s place. If we remove that 0, the number becomes 74516. Is that the same number? No. 704,516 is 704,516. 74516 is 74,516. The difference is 630,000. Imagine a bank account of 704,516 naira. If you remove that 0, you just lost 630,000 naira. That 0 protected your money.
0 may be nothing, but 0 protects value. 0 is powerful.
2 simple steps to find place value. Step 1. Write the number correctly with commas. Step 2. Keep the digits and replace all digits to its right with zeros. Example: 704,516. Place value of 7 is 700,000. Place value of 0 is 0. Place value of 4 is 4,000. Place value of 5 is 500. Place value of 1 is 10. Place value of 6 is 6. Now, before we go, here's your assignment to practice what you have learned today. Wow! Today we didn't just learn numbers, we uncovered their secrets. If this lesson helped you, subscribe, like, and share. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to write numbers correctly in words. Until then, keep learning and keep shining. Bye for now.